How to delete Valorant account permanently. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily delete your Valorant account permanently. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser, go to the search bar and simply search for Valorant support. Hit enter. Now from Riot Games, you'll be able to see the Valorant support. You can easily submit a ticket here. So scroll down until you find the option to submit a ticket. And once you click on it, you will be taken to this page right here. But before you proceed, you're going to have to sign into your Riot Games account, which is connected to your Valorant account. So let me just go ahead and continue with my Google here, and then simply sign into my account. Once you are signed in, you'll be taken back to the Submit Ticket page. Now click on Continue. And once you do that, from here, you can just go ahead and click on Back to Support. Once you get to the support page, go ahead and translate your page, scroll down and go to Submit a Request. Now you can continue submitting the request. So what you want to do here is scroll down and choose your request type. So I'm just going to select the one that best matches, which is account types. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this option, account management, data request, or deletion. Once you click on it, all you have to do now is just tap on next. And once you get to this page, you're going to select the platform that you're using. So for example, PC, and right here, just type in, I want to delete my account. Select the reason for your inquiry. So it should be account deletion. Once you've selected that, click on this checkbox that says, I understand that there is 30-day waiting period and that my account will not be deleted until after these 30 days. So check on all of these boxes. I briefly explain why you would want to delete your account, and if there are any supporting attachments or files, you can drop them here. That's how you basically delete your account permanently on Valorant. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.